Sit down dia pa.
Isa pa kay na ang mag-iwan, may sugar.
Ako na ang isa. Basada yun, ma. Pagkuha, bunot dia isa. Basada yun. Isa lang. Okay, nakabutang.
Make allowance for each hour's schooling and forgive anyone who offends you. Remember the Lord forgave you, so you must forgive others.
Dala na.
The Lord is my strength.
Oh. Tagaan ka daw niya strength.
My heart, oh,
Timing kay mong kuan.
my heart trusts in Him, and He helps me. Oh. My heart believes for joy and in my soul.
About sa imong heart. Tago na. Pitaka. Imong Lord daw ang imong strength.
The Lord is my strength.